Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this session, we are going to discuss important history one-liner questions. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, then all these questions will be very helpful. So watch the session till the end. If anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session. Your first question is, when did the best of Gandhar sculpture appear? So the right answer of this question is Kushan period. Guys, during Kushan period, basically two kind of school of art flourished. That is Gandhar school of art and Mathura school of art. Gandhar sculpture were in grey sandstone and Mathura sculpture were in red sandstone. Right? Let me know some other points related to Kushan dynasty. So if the examiner asks who was the founder of Kushan dynasty, so you have to remember the name of ruler, that is Kuzula Kadphises. And the most famous king of Kushan dynasty was Kanishka. And the capital of Kushan dynasty were at Begram, Peshawar, Takshila and Mathura. But mostly in exam you find the option that is Peshawar. So please remember these points. Next question is, who is known as the Napoleon of India? So right answer is Samudragupta. Samudragupta is one of the king of Gupta dynasty, right? And who gave this title, that is Napoleon of India, to Samudragupta? So you have to remember A.V. Sumit. Next question is, who is known as the Frontier Gandhi? तो राइट आंसर इज खान अब्दुल गफ्फार खान को जो है फ्रंटियर गांधी कहा जाता है. एंड खान अब्दुल गफ्फार खान was the leader of two India independence movement. Which were these two movements? That is Khudai Khidmatgar and Pashtunistan movement. Next question is, who is the first foreigner to get Bharat Ratna award? So the right answer is again that is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, right? Next question is, who is the first Nobel Prize winner in Asia? So right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore got the Nobel Prize in the year 1930 for his novel Gitanjali. The year is also important and you also have to remember the novel name, that is Gitanjali. Next question is, who is the first Governor General of independent India? So the right answer is Lord Mountbatten. Let me discuss some important points related to Governor General. So first point is, who is the Governor General of Bengal? So you have to remember the name, that is Robert Clive. If examiner asks who is the first Governor General of Bengal, so the person name was Baron Hastings. And listen guys, Governor of Bengal. This post changed to the Governor General of Bengal after passing the Regulating Act 1773. This point is also important. Next देखिए, first Governor General of India. So you have to remember the name, that is William Bentinck. And Governor General of Bengal post changed to the Governor General of India by the Charter Act of 1833. Right. Next point is first Viceroy of India. So you have to remember the name, that is Lord Canning. And Governor General of India post changed to the Viceroy of India by the Governor of India Act 1858. So please remember these points. These all are very important for the exam and mostly जो है students इनके बीच में confuse होते हैं. Next question is, who is the first and last Indian Governor General of India? So right answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Okay. Your next question is, who is the founder of Congress? So right answer is A.O. Hume. And Indian National Congress founded on 28th December 1885 in Mumbai. And who gave the name of INC to Congress? So you have to remember the name, Dadabhai Naoroji. And where is the first session of INC organized? So you have to remember that is Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College, Bombay. And the total number of participants who participated in this session, so you have to remember total 72 participants, right? Next question is, during which Viceroy period Quit India movement took place? So right answer is Lord Lilithgow. And Quit India movement launched on 8th August 1942. This date is very important, so please remember it. And Quit India movement launched after Cripps mission. And mostly exam में पूछा जाता है, who was the Viceroy or Governor General during 1857 revolt? So you have to remember the name, that is Lord Canning. During Quit India movement, Governor General या Viceroy was Lord Lilithgow, and during 1857 revolt, Viceroy was Lord Canning. Right? Next question is, the painting of Bharat Mata was originally done by? So he was Abhinendranath Tagore. And who was Abhinendranath Tagore? He was nephew of Rabindranath Tagore. That point is not much important for your exam, but you have to remember who was the painter of Bharat Mata. So Abhinendranath Tagore. And one more point which related to the Abhinendranath Tagore, that is who established the Indian Society of Oriental Art. So it also established by Abhinendranath Tagore with his brother Gagindranath Tagore, right? Next is slave dynasty was founded by. We already discussed all MCQs on Delhi Sultanate. So slave dynasty is first or one of the dynasty of Delhi Sultanate, which foundation was led by Qutbuddin Aibak in the year 1206. If examiner asks you who was the founder of slave dynasty or Delhi dynasty, so the answer will be Qutbuddin Aibak in the year 1206. Let me discuss other four dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. So second dynasty was Khalji dynasty and whose founder was Jalaluddin Khalji. Next dynasty, that is third dynasty, was तुगलक dynasty, जिसके फाउंडर थे गियासुद्दीन तुगलक, जिनको की गाजी मलिक भी कहा जाता था, राइट। फोर्थ dynasty इज सैयद dynasty, जिसके फाउंडर थे खिजर खान। लास्ट एंड द फिफ्थ dynasty who ruled over Delhi Sultanate was Lodi dynasty, and Lodi dynasty was founded by Behlol Lodi. And who was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty? So the ruler was Ibrahim Lodi, right? I think all points will be clear to you. So let me move further. Next question is Subhash Chandra Bose started the Azad Hind Radio in. So, Azad Hind Radio was started by Subhash Chandra Bose in the year 1942. Year is also important, and where he started this Azad Hind Radio. So, you have to remember the place name, that is Berlin in Germany, right? And it was started as a tool of propaganda against the British government. Next question is the College of Fort William at Calcutta was established by. So, the person name is Lord Richard Wellesley in the year 1800. Next question is which among the four Vedas is the oldest? So right answer is Rig Veda. Right, Rig Veda is the oldest Veda and there are 10 mandlas in Rig Veda. Right, here I mentioned all the four Vedas and their Upvedas. So let me discuss it. First is Rig Veda. Rig Veda Upveda name is Ayurveda. Samveda Upveda is Gandharved. Yajurveda Upveda is Dhanurveda and Atharvaveda Upveda is Shilpaveda, right? So you have to remember all the four Vedas and their Upveda, right? Next question is when was the Indian national flag adopted? So we had discussed so many times the date when was the Indian national flag adopted. So you have to remember 22nd July 1947. एक important point जो हम यहाँ पर discuss करेंगे वो है कि who was the person to host the Indian flag on foreign soil. So you have to remember the name, that is Madam Bikaji Kama was the first person to host the Indian national flag on foreign soil. And where he hosts the flag, we have to remember Stuttgart in Germany. On which date? So 22 August 1907, right? Next question is which Mughal emperor assumed the title Shah Alam first? So right answer is Bahadur Shah first, जिनको कि बहादुर शाह भी कहा जाता था. Bahadur Shah first or Bahadur Shah also known as Shah I Bekhabar. And Bahadur Shah was the Mughal ruler who guaranteed Sar Deshmukhi to Marathas, right? Next question is who won the first battle of Panipat? So right answer is Babur. First battle was fought in the year 1526 and this battle was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi and this battle won by the Babur. There are three battle of Panipat. First fought in the year 1526. Next second battle of Panipat in the year 1556 and the third battle of Panipat fought in the year 1761. Right. Next is who gave the title of Raja to Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So you have to remember the Mughal emperor name, that is Akbar Shah II or Akbar II gave the title of Raja to Raja Ram Mohan Roy. And one more point you have to remember from the Mughal emperor Akbar II, that is Akbar II introduced the Hindu-Muslim unity festival, that is Phool Walon Ki Sair, right? Next question is who said Sir Syed was a prophet of education? So right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question is Home Rule League was founded in 1916 by. So right answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. देखिए Bal Gangadhar Tilak led the formation of Home Rule League in Belgaum. And Annie Besant led the formation of Home Rule League in Madras. And where is the headquarters of Home Rule League? So it is in Pune, Maharashtra. Next question is, who was popularly called as liberator of the press? So right answer is Lord Metcalfe. Lord Metcalfe called as the liberator of the press. Next question is, who became the Speaker of the Central Legislature in 1923? So right answer is Vittal Bhai Patel. Next question is, where was the first village session of Congress held? So right answer is Faizpur, and this session held in the year 1936, and it is the 50th session of INC. जो village session था INC का, it was 50th session which was held in Faizpur in the year 1936, right? Next question is, the famous poet Kalidasa lived in the court of. So right answer is Chandragupta II, and Chandragupta II is also known as Vikram Aditya. There are 9 gems, that is 9 scholars lived in the court of Chandragupta II. Let me discuss these. First is Kalidasa, Harisena, Amar Sima. Next is Varha Mehra. Other person was Dhanvantri. Next is Kahapananka. Next is Shanku, Vararuchi and Vital Bhatta. You have to remember these 9 gems also, because एग्जाम में मोस्टली इनको भी पूछा जाए, इन पे भी क्वेश्चन बनता है. Next question is, who wrote the famous book Buddh Charita? So Buddh Charita was written by the person Ashwagosha, and Ashwagosha lived in the court of Kanishka. And who is Kanishka? With you earlier that Kanishka was one of the famous ruler of Kushan dynasty, right? Next is, in which state the folk painting Madhubani is popular? So right answer is Bihar. Madhubani painting belongs to Bihar. Next is, in the Indus Valley civilization, Great Bath is found in. So Great Bath and also Great Granary found in the Mohenjo-daro. And where is Mohenjo-daro located? So it located in the Larkana district, Pakistan. And Mohenjo-daro site discovered by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. And Mohenjo-daro site of Indus Valley civilization located on the bank of Indus River, right? Next question is, that Nalanda University was founded by. So you have to remember the name, that is Kumar Gupta first. And who is Kumar Gupta first? He is one of the ruler of Gupta dynasty. And Nalanda University was also revived by Dharamapala. And Dharamapala से आपको एक point और याद रखना है, that is Dharamapala was the founder of Vikramshila University. So if examiner asks founder of Nalanda University, then you have to answer that is Kumar Gupta first. And if examiner asks about Vikramshila University founder, then the answer will be Dharamapala, right? And Nalanda University was looted by Bhakhtiyar Khilji in the year 1193. This point is also very important, so please remember it. Next question is, who is the first Indian to become the member of British Parliament? So right answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question is, Gandhi Salt Satyagraha was a part of. So Salt Satyagraha was a part of civil disobedience movement. So when civil disobedience movement or Salt Satyagraha started, so it was started on 12th March 1930. Started from the place Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. And Salt Satyagraha got completed on 6th April 1930. The Salt Satyagraha took place for 24 days, and the total distance covered by Mahatma Gandhi and his followers in the Salt Satyagraha, it was 385 km or 240 miles. So guys, that's all for today. Please give a one thumbs up to video. So stay tuned with this channel for more videos. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye guys and take care.